Hey, what's up, YouTube? So today's gonna be round 2 for building our road at the Woodlot. So I cut probably 100 foot last time, but after speaking with the neighbors, he agreed that since most of an existing trail is on our property line, but like the first 100 meters or so is like on his. So he agreed that like if I just maintain the road, I'll just use that instead. So I'm out here with my daughters today. We're cleaning up the old logging road that hasn't been used in probably 15-20 years. So anyway, we'll film some of the progress. We already worked on it for about an hour with the brush cutter, and then I'll just get the chainsaws out and get started. Alright, so here's what we're working with. So like in a month's time, like all the greenery is going to be gone. But anyways, it kind of just goes that way. So like all the dead limbs and like I spent an hour already with the brush cutter, and like whatever was too big for the brush cutter I left. So like now I'll just get in there with the small chainsaw, like the MS-170, cut down like whatever is like probably 6-8 inches, and then if I find anything bigger, I'll get there with like the 311 and just fell that. Alright, so it's gonna be it for today. So I'm gonna come back next week with the tractor with the grapple, and then I'll hook up the wood chipper to it. So I'm gonna chip all this brush and like the small trees and whatever. So pretty much anything that's under 5 inches I'll just chip. And then I started making wood piles, so there's probably stuff that's in there that's like 4 inches, but it's like nice birch, so I'll burn the stove. Then so you can see like the trail entrance, and just keep going. Another little pile, silver maple. So again, I'll keep that for my wood stove. I think once I chip all of this, it's gonna really start looking like the trail. And then so some more birch here. And then so me and Bia, so my youngest daughter, we start marking where we're gonna build the trail, so that goes to our woodlot. So like the first part of the trail here is on the neighbor's property. So anyways, another pile of birch and silver maple. So like this here we're not gonna burn. It's we'll probably burn it outside, but it's all garbage. It's all like rotten. And I don't know if you can see it. Like there's like the paint marking. So yeah, so we just use like orange paint. Then it goes basically straight up a small incline. So just like straight in front of us. So what I'll do is I'll get in there with like my big saw, and I'll just buck all the rotten wood that's on the ground, like use the grapple, move all that stuff. And then instead of like I'll try it first anyways, I'll just try it with the box blade, see if I can, with the rippers on it. So see if I could just break the ground pretty loose. If not, like I'll use the backhoe to make a decent hill, but I don't really have much time. Like it's mid-September, and then like I want to set up a platform for the prospector tent and all that stuff. So before it gets too cold and starts snowing. So anyway, so like the trail might be pretty rough for this year, but yeah, that's gonna be it. And I opened up the trail a bit further. So like this trail here goes up probably another 600 meters in the woods before it meets up with the neighbor's lot like at the back. Anyways, but that's gonna be probably like a next year's project, like open up the whole thing. Anyways, so hopefully you enjoy the video. You'll see more wood cutting and tractor work and all that stuff in the next videos. It's gonna be like a slow process of it's like I can't find any skidding trails, so it's basically going there with like in the woods with like a fresh forest and like starting from scratch. And I kind of wish I had an excavator, so the backhoe will have to do. Yeah, so lots more to come with the woodlot, and so hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button, share with your friends, and make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.